Escape to a 156-plus surveyed-acre Kentucky estate, where rolling pasture, wooded ridgelines, stocked ponds, and fully developed infrastructure come together to create a rare blend of luxury country living, working farm capability, and a complete outdoor recreation setup designed for privacy, productivity, and long-term legacy. As you enter the property, the land immediately opens up into a wide, usable layout that feels purpose-built rather than untouched. Internal access roads already connect the fields, ponds, structures, and hunting areas, giving the entire estate a connected flow that makes it feel larger and more functional the deeper you go. The main residence sits within this landscape as a comfortable 4-bedroom, 2-bath home designed for everyday living in a rural setting, featuring updated finishes, hardwood and laminate flooring, and a remodeled kitchen with double ovens and modern appliances, while the primary bath adds a standout touch with a clawfoot soaking tub, walk-in shower, and custom wood cabinetry that reflects the character of the property. One of the most meaningful spaces inside the home is an accent room built from timber harvested directly off the land, paired with a wood stove feature that ties the home directly back to its environment and reinforces the connection between structure and surrounding acreage. Moving outside, the property transitions into a fully operational working setup, with a large drive-through barn offering stalls, workshop space, and equipment storage, along with a separate heated workshop and garage system equipped with multiple bays, power throughout, and a professional-grade vehicle lift for serious use. Additional structures across the property include a hay barn, greenhouse, storm shelter, and flexible use spaces that can function as guest areas, hobby rooms, or support buildings, depending on your needs, making the infrastructure as versatile as the land itself. The acreage has been intentionally developed for outdoor recreation, featuring established food plots, hunting blinds, feeders, and an extensive road system that allows full access across nearly the entire property by ATV, side-by-side, or truck. 3 stocked ponds provide year-round fishing opportunities, while orchards and fruit plantings, including apple, peach, pear, chestnut, and grapevines, add both beauty and self-sufficiency. For long-range shooting or training use, the property includes professionally designed rifle ranges extending out to 1,000 yards, with covered shooting positions, creating a rare combination of recreation and capability.